Hello, this is Dia Damson, and today we are going to do another peacock feather, and the first part will be creating the eye of the peacock feather, since that's the most important part. So we are doing a circle of blue in the center, and then we are going to add orange and green around, so the shape is almost like an egg shape, and I'm leaving a little bit of white between all of the different colors, and later on I'm gonna add a very thin line of blue between those colors in the eye. This part will be wet on wet, and I'm just adding blue, really bright blue, and kind of smudging it around and softening the edges just to have it create the background shape of our feather. But if you see on the top how we created first a little bit of a heaviness right underneath the eye, and then all of the lines will kind of go around the eye, and pretty much that's going to keep the shape of our feather. So it's not just sideways, but they're going to the side and then a little bit upwards to create the shape of our feather. And we're gonna alternate between blues, couple of different blues, greens and yellows. And just don't forget to continue with the shape of the feather and get those lines kind of pointing upwards, side and then up. So before I add a few more whimsical lines, I'm gonna add the background, and this time I'm going to go with more orangey, very pale orangey color, so I can pull the orange and the yellow from the feather. If I go more with the green, I'm going to, or greenish yellowish, I'm gonna pull obviously more the green and the yellow, but I really wanted to pull the orange out. So this is why I chose this one comparing the one I did previously. And after this is done, we're gonna just touch up a few little things, emphasize a little bit more on the center, the eye, and then I'm going to add a few more whimsical lines kind of sticking out a little bit more, but pretty much that's our feather. It's super easy. You can add more greens, you can add more yellow lines, you can just make it your own and have fun with it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for notifications for our future videos, and happy painting!